Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious cheese Buldak. First, gather all your ingredients, including about 1 pound of boneless chicken, gochujang, and plenty of mozzarella cheese. Next, prepare your chicken by cutting it into uniform, bite-sized pieces. Then, marinate the chicken for at least 30 minutes, or even up to 2 hours, to ensure it absorbs all those wonderful flavors. This initial step is crucial for a truly flavorful dish. Now, let's cook that flavorful chicken. Heat a large pan or wok over medium-high heat and stir-fry the marinated chicken until it's fully cooked and lightly browned, which usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Next, add your Buldak sauce ingredients, including 2 tablespoons of gochujang, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and a dash of sesame oil, directly to the pan. Let the mixture simmer for another 5 to 7 minutes, allowing the sauce to thicken beautifully. The next step is where the magic happens with that delicious cheese. Carefully transfer your cooked Buldak chicken into an oven-safe dish or a sturdy cast-iron skillet. Then, generously sprinkle about 1 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese evenly over the entire surface of the chicken. Place the dish under a preheated broiler for approximately 3 to 5 minutes, or until the cheese is perfectly melted, golden, and wonderfully bubbly. Keep a close eye on it to prevent burning. Finally, it's time to serve and savor your homemade cheese Buldak. For an extra touch, garnish your dish with some freshly chopped green onions or a sprinkle of toasted sesame seeds. Make sure to serve it immediately, right when the cheese is at its most warm, gooey, and delightfully stretchy. This spicy and cheesy Korean comfort food is perfect for sharing. Enjoy every single bite of your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.